Welcome back friends. In this video I am going to show you how to calculate the percentage change in Microsoft Excel. Here in this sheet I have a simple data of different company names and their stock price on 27th November and stock price on 28th November. My requirement is to calculate the percentage change. Here in the D column I will use the standard formula for calculating percentage change, and in the column E and F I will also show you the alternative formulas. Click on the D2 cell, press equal to, open a bracket, click on the new value or the latest value, minus, click on the old value, close bracket, divided by, click on the old value, then hit enter. Drag this formula down. Now change this to percentage formatting by click on this percentage symbol in the home tab. These are the percentage change. Some value has positive percent change and some has negative. Let's see the alternative methods. If you don't want to show these percentage symbol with the number, then you can use this alternative method. Click on the cell, press equal to, open bracket, click on new value minus old value, bracket close, divided by old value, multiplied with 100, then hit enter. This gives the percentage change without the percentage symbol. You can drag this down. If you want to decrease the digit after decimal, you can use this decrease decimal tool, and here you see these are the percentage change without the percentage symbol attached. Let's see another formula for calculating percent change. Click on the cell, press equal to, click on new value divided by old value minus 1. This also gives the same result. Here you can see. If you want to change this to percentage formatting, you can click on the percentage symbol. If you don't want to show the percentage symbol here, then you can edit the formula. Double click on this. At the starting, open two brackets. Before minus 1, close a bracket. After minus 1, close another bracket and multiply this with 100. Multiplied with 100. Then press enter. Drag the formula down. And here you see the percentage change is calculated. So this is how you can calculate percentage change in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice this, you can download this sample data file from the link in the video description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button, and also subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching.